Hello dear students, welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss exam question answers NEB HSEB 2064 question number 15 group B. Question number 15, find the mean and the standard deviation from the following frequency distribution. Find the mean and the standard deviation from the following frequency distribution. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, frequency 7, 12, 24, 10, 7. Now from this given data, we have to find out mean and the standard deviation. Solution. Solution from the given data, we have to find out mean and the standard deviation. Standard deviation we can denote by the Greek letter sigma. To find the mean and the standard deviation, at first we have to make the appropriate table. In the first column, we write down frequency, then we find out mean value, then frequency is given, frequency we take in the third column. So marks we denote by the letter X. The marks are 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40 to 50. So first we have to find out the mean value of the marks. To find the mean value, we have to add lower limit and upper limit. The first value is called lower limit and the second value is called upper limit. 0 is lower limit and 10 is upper limit. So we have to take the sum. That means we have to add 0 and 10. The sum of 0 and 10, that means 0 plus 10 is 10, and then we have divided by 2. So we have to take the sum of lower limit and upper limit and divide by 2. Then we get the mid value. The mid value of 0 to 10 is 5. Mid value of 10 to 20 is 15. Mid value of 20 to 30 is 25. The mid value of 30 to 40 is 35. The mid value of 40 to 50 is 45. So first we have to find out the mid value. The frequencies are already given 7, 12, 24, 10, 7. Now we take the product of frequency and the mid value. That means F into M. 5 into 7, 30. 15 into 12, 180. 25 into 24, 600. 35 into 10, 350. 45 into 7, 315. After getting the sum of the product of frequency and the mid value, that means summation FM. The value of summation FM is 1480. So we have to take the sum of FM, and then we have to take the sum of frequency. The sum of frequency we denote by the capital letter N. So now we have the sum of frequency, the sum of the product of frequency and the mean value, that means summation FM and N. If we divide summation FM by N, then we get the value of mean, X bar. We know that X bar is equal to summation FM divided by N. 1480 divided by 60, we get 24.7. So this is the value of mean. Now to find the standard deviation, we have to find out D, the value of D. D means difference. We have to find the difference between mid value and the mean. We have to take the difference between each mid value, difference between the mid value and the mean. 5 minus 24.7, we get minus 19.7. D is equal to mid value minus mean, X bar. 5 minus 24.7, we get minus 19.7. 15 minus 24.7, we get minus 9.7. 25 minus 24.7, 0.3. 35 minus 24.7, 10.3. 45 minus 24.7, 20.3. After finding the value of D, we have to find out D is square. That means a square of D. Minus 19.7 is square, we get 388.1. 9.7 is square, we get 94.1. 0.3 is square, we get 0.1. 10.3 is square, we get 106.9. 20.3 is square, we get 412.1. Now after finding D square, we have to take the product of frequency and D square to get the value of F D square. That means F into D square. Let's multiply F and D square. 7 into 380.1, 2716.7. 12 into 19.4, we get 1129.2. 24 into 0.1, we get 24. 10 into 106.9, we get 1069. 7 into 412.1, we get 2884.7. So we have got the value of the product of frequency and D square. Now we have to take the sum of FD square. That means summation FD square is equal to 7802. Next we have to find out the value of mean and the standard deviation. We know summation X bar is equal to, that means the value of mean. X bar is equal to summation FM by N. The value of summation FM is 1480 and the value of N is 60. 1480 divided by 60, we get 24.7. The value of mean is 24.7. And we know that the formula of standard deviation we can denote by the Greek letter sigma. Standard deviation, that means sigma is equal to root summation FD square by N. This is the formula of standard deviation of direct method. We can find standard deviation by shortcut method and step deviation method also. So this is the formula of standard deviation of direct method. The value of summation f d squared is 7802. The value of n is 1408. The value of n is 60. 7802 divided by 60, we get 130.03. The root of the square root of 130.03 is 11.5. Therefore, SD is equal, standard deviation is equal 11.5. According to the question, mean and the standard deviation of the given frequency distribution are 24.7 and 11.5. Which are the required values of mean and standard deviation? Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.